Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Earl from Earl Widmeyer. Stay tuned for a sneak peek of a few pictures that I took of the CN Silver Creek sub when I was up there and did a few more sections of foam. Trackside Mike too, he was also helping me and showing me some tips and tricks on how to put in cardboard strapping to make your hills and stuff like that. So keep it on the tracks! So enjoy the video and please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I did. My son actually found replacement pads like almost 18 inches by 20 inches and we just cut them up. CN Silver Creek sub. It is my son's club layout that he belongs to, and we've been busy up there doing a lot of different bench work and buildings and electronics for signals and trains and stuff like that, all that kind of stuff. But it'd be really great if you guys could check them out, like and subscribe to their channel. They would really help them out. Thank you.